ArcPy! Quick, remember all 48,000 of these records. Gone. You got all that, yeah? Well then, tell me what record 572 was. Useless. Luckily, we have computer memory and the ArcPy memory workspace. Let's say we have a linear feature class. We want to create a buffer around this linear feature class. Now in ArcGIS Pro, when you run a geoprocessing tool that creates output, that output is going to be written to disk. Now we do not want that. It is highly inefficient to constantly write each output to disk, especially when you're chaining geoprocessing tasks. So what can we do? We can use the memory workspace, which utilizes your computer's RAM. We now have our buffer feature class in memory. Along with our linear feature class, we also have a point feature class, and we want to select some of those points based on their intersection with the buffer. We then take those intersected points and we export the features into our memory workspace. So now we have a buffer in our memory workspace and a subset of points, which are both now feature classes in our memory workspace. While we have those points in our memory workspace, we can perform some manipulations. We can add a field, calculate a field, we can select by attributes and then delete a few records. And again, this is all happening in our memory workspace. We then have our data in a state that we want to save it to disk, and we can use the export features to export from our memory workspace and store to disk for use. Why use the memory workspace? Efficiency! Cool, thanks for that.
No problem. I hope you enjoyed your slice of ArcPy.